Okay, here's 6-2. 6-2 is actually a fun stage. 6-1 is kind of boring, but 6-2 is fun. I think it's the shortest stage too. Basically we just hold right pretty much the entire time and do some jumps. So it's probably not going to help for me to actually say like, here's where you jump, here's where you slash. I would recommend just watching it a few times over and over and trying to reproduce it yourself. It's more like learning the pattern rather than actually learning specific spots to jump. But the first thing here, be sure you don't get hit by this guy. I'm continuing this from the last video where I got hit by the flame, so I have exactly enough health. If I get hit by anything here, if it's in the first few guys, I can do the backup strat. If it's later, I have to improvise, which is actually really hard on this stage. But you want to jump, don't get hit by these. When you're falling, you need to upfire and shoot that. If you jump too high, you'll just clear it. So when you're falling, throw it. Be sure you walk far enough to actually pick up the ninpo before you jump. I've messed that up a couple times. I just jump right over it. Okay, now here's how this goes. You get boosted, jump slash. As soon as you hit the ground, you jump. We do this a few times. It controls the height of the bird. So jump, then you slash the bird on the way down. Slashing the birds on the way up is really hard. So you get boosted, jump, jump. Now the bird is up there, we can slash him. Boost, slash jump, get boosted, just hold right, and see I have 1 health. That bullet actually kills me, but the bird does 1 damage. The boss is really simple. You want to throw away your ninpo. You want 60? 58? 50. Okay. I line myself up with this orb. You just move up and throw your ninpo until you have 50 ninpo. If you throw it like, you can't throw it too fast, otherwise you'll get empty shots again. But if you throw it like pretty much as fast as you can, you'll have a little bit of time before he's actually visible. You watch him turn shades. That's how you know when he's going to be visible. So pay attention to how many times he changes shades and what shade it is before he turns. That's when you know he's going to appear. So this next shade he's going to appear. And I didn't do that by reflex. I just sort of timed in my head because I knew he was about to appear because of what shade he was on before. Then you can throw the fire. You can actually throw it a little bit earlier because it will, like, he'll appear into the fire and get hit. But you throw, see, I actually threw it already, but you throw all the way until you have 10 ninpo, and then you jump. You don't immediately press up and B, otherwise you'll throw an empty shot, but you wait like a matter of frames. So you throw it, and then you jump cancel to throw the last shot. One thing, I don't know, I haven't really talked about it too much yet. There is jump canceling in this game. So if you slash, see I'm holding right and slash. If I hold right, slash, and then jump, I get a slash. It does damage, and then it cancels. So this is how the Act 1 quick kill goes if you watch that video. You slash and then slash again immediately. And for Jackia we actually do a triple slash strat where you fall. Because when you're falling, it also cancels your animation when you hit the ground. But yeah, that's what we do for this boss. You throw the ninpo and throw it again. So notice how I was getting empty shots there because everything has to be cleared before, not before you press B, but before the animation for the new shot comes out. So you press up and B, it's like if 3 frames, I think, 3 or 4, before the shot actually comes out of your hand. But you need all of the sprites from the old flames to be gone before the new ones appear. So you throw it, and then you don't immediately shoot it because you actually run into that same problem. You have to wait just a tad, and you'll kill them a little bit quicker. Okay, so let's see if I even remember the backup strat. Is it this one? No. That's invincible fire wheel. So let me try to do this. See, I did that exact thing I told you not to do. Don't jump over it. I think you wanna. Okay, you also need to get the red ninpo. Upfire. I can't upfire. Still can't upfire. Get hit by this guy. Upfire. It gives you the invisible fire wheel. Now you use the fire wheel. You want the ninja star. Notice I ended it with 3 more health. Now jump. His hitbox is such that you just... all your ninja stars will hit him. As soon as he hits the ground, you just throw him and you kill him. That's the safe strat. That is 6-2. And we're going to 7-1 now.